So what's up, dudes? Today I worked on the bus a little bit, and I didn't really do much today besides just finish patching the flooring. The flooring is basically all patched unless there's anything by the driver area that I need to work on. I don't know if there's anything there because I need to pull up the plywood there still, because I kind of stopped it right to where the driver's seat was, and I worked on everything else. I have to pull that up and see if there's anything underneath the flooring. Besides that, the flooring is basically done, and I can frame it, but I'm not going to frame it until I finish pulling off the side panel. I'll also show you guys exactly what I did today, which was just the flooring. I ended up doing that hole and this one. There's two of them here that are separated, and then I continued to the back where I patched that one, which you see as I just finished that corner because I thought I had a big enough piece, but when I chopped it down to actually fit underneath, I didn't cover that, so I have to cover that. So I'm gonna do a small piece there. I chopped out a small chunk on this side and patched it there. These are the lines for the AC, which I need to see if I can get this working, because I heard the relay going off last time when I was actually looking at it, but it wouldn't fully turn on. So I need to see if I can get that working. I'm gonna probably tinker with that. I need to take this out, but I don't feel like doing it today, to be honest. And plus, since I have so much time till spring, I'm trying not to rush, so I do things in the correct order, so I don't do something and then it basically be in the way of something else that I'm doing, mainly for the vegetable oil. So we'll see. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, probably patch that small part in the corner and try and see if I can get this AC working. If I can get this AC working, it'd be awesome, so I can keep it. If for some reason I can't get it working, I might just remove it completely. We'll see. So I'm gonna get back to work. I just wanted to kind of get you updated as to what's going on. So let me get back to work. And now I did that, and I'm cooking at the moment. I'm making some rice and veggies. As you can see, they're boiling. They're basically done though, so let me shut that off. I also made some coffee, because it's pretty early for me. I don't even know what time it is, honestly. It is 6 o'clock. Early but late. I don't know. I love coffee. So if you love coffee, then you're awesome. If you don't like coffee, you're still awesome. Yeah, I'm going to make some coffee. I'm probably going to go out for a drive and just not stay inside, because I don't like to really stay inside much. Besides that, there's not really much to update you on. The only hard decision I'm having at the moment is if I'm going to do spray foam, or buy the thick pink foam pieces. Not really pieces, it's a giant sheet from Home Depot, and use that. But besides that, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do, but I just kind of want to update you guys on what I'm doing besides bus stuff. Personally, I started doing yoga, teaching myself, and I am also taking a meditation class starting this week, Tuesday. It is currently Sunday, and it's going to be the first one I'm taking. So it's gonna be kind of enjoyable. I am kind of excited to learn. And actually, I gotta show you guys something that a friend made me. So give me 1 second. So my friend Brandon had me for Secret Santa this year. Me and all my friends, every year we do Secret Santa. We always do it after New Year's. It's just easier because around the holidays, everybody's running around doing whatever. And Brandon had me. And Brandon crafted me a box, a chest, basically. A small chest, as you can see. And it says Bus Survival Kit. I hid one word because it's inappropriate. I took one item out because it's also inappropriate for YouTube. So he made me this box, and in it contained a tapestry. I will show you the tapestry afterwards. We also have flushable wipes, candy, because he knows I love candy even though I've stopped eating it, toilet paper, healing hand cream, and Kleenexes. I don't think I've missed anything else. Honestly, I don't think I missed anything. Yeah, so he made me this box for Secret Santa, which I'm actually really happy because I love when people make stuff, so it's really, really cool. I'm definitely gonna be putting this in the bus, because I love it so much. I'm very, very thankful that he made it, which is awesome. And it actually made me really laugh a lot because I did not expect this as a gift, especially from him. Not that he couldn't do it, but because he usually waits last minute for everything, which you guys also saw Brennan in a previous video of mine. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Let me open the tapestry up so I can show you guys exactly what it is. All right, so Brennan bought me this. This tapestry is what he got me. It is called the Hamsa, and it's supposed to bring the owner happiness, luck, health, and good fortune. And it's supposed to basically keep away negative energies and stuff like that. I think it's really awesome. I am extremely thankful for him, and it's a very, very thoughtful gift, especially because of the meditation that I'm going to be taking, and he's also taking the class with me. This is going to be his second time. This is going to be my first time doing it. I wanted to last time, I just wasn't able to. I'm extremely thankful for this gift. I have no idea where he would have got it either. I have no idea, but it's awesome. I just wanted to share that with you guys, since that's what I did yesterday on my first day off after working so much. And I was really happy to see a bunch of friends that I haven't seen in a while. So I probably end it there. So I will see you guys. All right, peace.